So you're here in IKEA. This is the flower section, like the house decor, but now the flower section, and there are so many sections in IKEA, but I didn't shoot all sections. I only shot the flower and a little bit of the candles and the mirror section. So yeah, it's not the whole of IKEA Munich, but you'll see just a little part of IKEA Munich. Maybe I'll take some more later. So nice. Wow. Wow. Is this the London Bridge? And these are for the candles.
That's also for the candles, yeah, for huge candles.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.